Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brother and sister, I hope you are doing well. So today our new lesson, we will continue from the same page. We did the half page in the previous video, and now we're going to start to finish the last 5 lines, the last half in this video. Okay, so my dear, in this one there are some new shapes. Mostly the people have a problem to identify this shape. Okay, the kids have a problem. I'm going to explain. Okay, so the next one is I'm going to start. You need to read with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, so the next one is kha. This is bold letters. Okay, you need to read bold it. Okay, kha. I told you the color the green one is bold, right? So this one is kha, and the next is ha tha. Ha tha. Look the shape of ha. You see that? If you know this shape, this is ha. Remove the dot. Remove this dot. It's become ha. Okay. Remove this dot. It's become ha. So this shape and the next shape is very simple. Okay. If you put one dot here, it's become jim. If you remove this dot, okay, put one dot under jim. Remove the dot, it's become ha. Okay. So now look this one. This is ha. Okay. If you look this shape and this shape is very simple. Okay. Right. The same shape. This is ha. This one. Okay. I hope the shape will be clear now. Alright. And what put one dot, it's become ha. And the next one, if you look the next one, this is ha. Okay. So I'm going to read now. It's easy. Ha tha. Ha tha. Next is kha ba. Kha ba. Kha ba. Next, we're shifting the dot. Before you have one dot top, now you have one dot below. That is jim. Okay, one dot top, that is kha. Without any dot, this is ha. Okay, now this is jim. Jim ta. Jim ta. Okay. Next one is, I told you when you have two dots top, that is ta. Now look, this is ta. Ta ha ta. Ta ha and ta. Okay, this is ta is easy. The black one is easy. Okay, I'm explaining the next shape, the purple. If you look, brother, if you know this shape, this is ha. If you look this one, this is ha. Okay, this is ha too. This is ha too. If you focus this one, you understand this shape. Okay, right? This one is same. This, just remove the dot. It's become ha. If you put one dot, it's become jim like this. If you shift one dot on top, it's become ha. Okay. So now ta ha ta. Ta ha ta. Next is same. You have two dots below. That is ya. So this is ya, and the brown is jim, and the black is ba. Ya jim ba. Ya jim ba. If you go next, one dot below, look the color. Okay, you need to understand the letters according to colors. Look, the dot is ba. Okay, the black one is dot. This dot is black. Okay, this is ba. If you look the black color, this is ba. This dot is belong to this one. Okay, so this is ba, the first one. The green is kha. Alright, this is kha, the green, and the last is ta is simple. So it's going to be ba kha ta. Ba kha ta. Okay, my dear. So the next one, if you look, this is ta. You know, two dots on top. This is ta. And the next 4-5 boxes I'm going to tell you the thing which will be easy. If you have two dots below, as you know, this is ta. Just remove two dots. If you remove two dots, it's become ha. Look, this is ha. Same here, two dots top, this is ta, and remove two dots, it's become ha, like that. Okay, if you go there, just leave this one, go to the next box, this one, you have two dots top, this is ta, and remove two dots, the same become the same shape, it's become ha. So this is ha, this is ha. Put the two dots, it's become ta. Okay, easy. And look the next one, this is also ha, this one is ha, and the next one in the middle is ha, there is ha. If you look, there are so many ha, 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, so I'm going to make it easy. I'm going to try to put any more efforts to make your foundation. Okay, so if you understand the basic thing, you can understand easily the letters. Okay, now I'm reading, you need to follow me. Ta, ha, ba, ta, ba, ta. Next, two dots below. Ya, ha, ya, ha. And the next is ta, ha, ta, ha. Next, noon, ta. Many people say this is zal. This is not zal, my dear. This is ta. Okay, noon, ta, noon, ta. And the next one, ha, ha. Look, the next is ya, ha, ba, ya, ha, ba. And the next will be ba, ha, alif. So I'm explaining again, my dear, this is not halam. Okay, yesterday I was taking a lesson of a guy. He was reading every time this is lam, 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 lam. Lot of people is considered this is lam. So my dear, this is not lam, this is alif. Okay, whenever you see this shape, this is alif. Okay, so ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, mim, ba, ha, mim. Next is dal, dal. Simple. The next one, touching your teeth, dal, dal, dal. Look the next. There are two shapes of dal. If you look this one, this is dal. You look this one, this is dal. Just two shapes. Okay, remember, dal, 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 dal. Okay, if you look this one, this is dal, and you look this one dot, this is dal. So many people read this is noon, but this is not noon. You need to remember, you need to keep in your mind, this is not dal, this is not noon, this is dal. Okay, my dear, so I'm going to read now, follow me. Dal, jim, dal, kha, dal, kha, dal, ra, ra, ra. This is z, 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 z. I post a video about same sound. You need to watch this one. There are letters which have a same sound. I already explained in the first video. Okay, I'm telling you again. This is dal. This is za. Don't consider it same. Okay, this is totally different. Dal, za, dal, za. Okay. So ra, z. Next, jim, ra, jim, ra, and then Kho z. Kho z. Okay, so the page is finished now. So you need to practice the whole page again and again. Okay, my dear, if you think this video will helpful to understand, to build your foundation in the recitation of Quran, you must follow this my channel, subscribe my channel, and also invite your friends. Okay, if you think that it will be helpful for you, you must follow more than 5 to 10 peoples. Okay, so I will look and how many people you invite in my video. Okay, thank you so much. Take care of yourself. أحبك في الله. جزاك الله خيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.